What's up, YouTube yummers? Passion and I are back with another episode of. What are you making today?
We are making mi gao rice cake.
One of my favorites. And what we have here are the ingredients to make mi gao. We're going to start with the rice. What kind of rice is this, Passion?
It is long grain sticky rice. There are two types sticky rice in Taiwan. We have the round one sticky rice, and the other one is long grain sticky rice. But I asked the rice vendors, and they suggest us to make mi gao to use long grain sticky rice. It's more chewy.
And we have 300 grams of rice.
Yeah.
We've soaked it in water for an hour. It's just going to kind of inflate the rice a little bit so it won't have to steam so long. We have some mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms. How do you say shiitake again in Mandarin?香菇. These give a nice flavor to the product. We've soaked them in water, and we kept the water to add some flavor to the mi gao later. How much mushroom should we use?
We just take 4 mushroom, but if you like it, you can put in more.
Up to you. We cut the mushrooms into slices, and yeah. What else do we have?
Pork.
Ground pork.
Yeah, ground pork. The weight is 150 grams. And also we have soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we have fried shallot.
Got a nice smell to it. We have some black pepper, some salt, and avocado oil to fry everything up. And oh yeah, the little cups.
And we already spread some oil around the cup, just in case when the rice is steaming and the rice not steam into the cup.
Yeah, because you want the mi gao to fall out of the cup at the end, nice and smoothly.
Yeah.
All right, let's get cooking.
我们刚刚已经准备好所有的材料了，那我们现在就开始炒料。那我们先倒2大匙的油进来锅子里面，像油快没？ 2大匙油，好，然后把油葱酥shallot倒进来，然后还有香菇也倒进来，这2个可以一起倒进来，没关系。然后开火，那现在香菇跟油葱酥已经 有开始，就是你有听到那个声音，然后香味也都出来了。之后，我们把我们的绞肉也倒进来。
Smells so good already.
那我们可以开始调味，就是把酱油，然后香菇水跟胡椒就勾进来。
好香。Okay, we're going to take our 300 grams of rice and put it into the half of the pork, mushroom, shallot soy sauce, pepper mix. Combining them. And mix it all up.
Turn on the heat.
Turn. Third time's a charm. Oh, it's hot. Is that a good temperature, you think?
Maybe I think.
Medium. Mixing it all up.
Yeah.
It's an ocean of deliciousness in here. Yeah, this would be a good time to pay attention to what you're doing. Alright, the rice is just about ready to come off the heat. It's swollen, inflated a little bit. Now we're going to transfer it to our old dish. And then move this out of the way. Take our rice and pork mixture, fill up our little migal cups, just kind of going a couple scoops at a time.
Fill it into like 70% of cup. Because the rice will inflate again when stirring it.
Did not even think about that.
So you cannot put the rice into very full. Fill the rice in and squeeze the rice into the cup
Yeah, you really want to
very tightly.
compact it, pack it down so that it slides out at the end, keeps a nice shape. Hi, welcome back to Yang. What we have is the next step in our migal. We have our migal cups arranged in a nice flower shape.
Plum shape,
Plum shape.
plum flower
Plum
shape.
flower, plum blossom. And 5 is a lucky number for me because it reminds me of my immediate family, my brother, my sister, my mom, my dad, myself. And we put in 1.5 cups of water into the steamer. And now we are going to close it up and get cooking. So we're going to take the knife and kind of work it around the edge. Slowly, slowly. Ibu ibu lai. Oops. I want to lick that. And here we are. Ta-da!
Wow!
Oh, that's not the pretty side. There, that's the pretty side.
Looks very yummy.
Agreed. I think it looks great. Professional. We're gonna open a migal shop.
Yeah.
All right, tasting time.
Tasting time. 米糕show。
Migal show.
米糕，我们来吃吃看，先不加任何味道。We taste without any sauce first.
Original.
Original one.
好吃吗？
好吃。
I'm not sure. Better than the shops. We also have some sauces. This is habanero hot sauce from Asheville, North Carolina. Shout out to Cricket Condiments. We have vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce. I don't know how they got the oysters in there and kept it vegetarian, but somehow they managed to do it. And what do you have there?
Sweet chili sauce.
Sweet chili sauce. So maybe we'll spice these things up a little bit. Passion. Nice job. Would you change this at all? Improve on anything? Alter it?
I think this recipe is perfect, awesome,
Yeah.
and which is very easy for all people. Yeah.
Super easy. But I think it's also kind of like a foundation. You can add probably other flavors to it really easily. Maybe add
The shrimp
you got shrimp for sure. I was thinking that, but
or a scallop.
or scallops.
Yeah, and the scallops, slice of scallop.
Make a nice seafood migal. That's incredible.
Yeah. Yeah. In Taiwan we have like rice dumplings. Yeah, and migal, and I think some of them are kind of the same things. So you can combine all the ingredients you want on the bottom of migal.
Yeah, I think you could easily add some more vegetables in here, or some other spices, and kind of change it. Maybe make it more like a curry migal or something. I don't know. You can do anything you want. It seems like a really good dish to have as a foundation, as a base, and then it's up to your imagination to do something with it. Okay, let's add some hot sauce.
So Bruce, if you go back to United States, you will make migal for your friends.
Yes, definitely.
Do you think your friends will like it?
How could you not like migal? This is amazing. So good. I think they will like it. But I want to cook it in bamboo. Yeah, get that bamboo flavor. One issue I think in the US is that we don't do a lot of steaming when we cook. Like most people, I don't think have a steamer as part of their kitchen arsenal.
So you just use the pot to boil rice.
Yeah, typically, most of the time. But I think a steamer is a great way to cook. It's pretty versatile. You can do a lot of things, and it's healthy. You know, highly recommend it. How is it with the sweet chili? Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Quite good. It's a little spicy.
It's not bad.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
I never thought I would make a migal at home. And today we made it.
Not only did we make it, but we rocked it.